So today I was going to show you guys how to make these really cute bows using this 3-piece wooden set that can be found in my Etsy shop. Here's what you need to make your own cute bows. 1, the 3-piece wooden set. 2, either sheets of vinyl or sheets of felt, whatever you want to make your bows with. I ordered these from Amazon. You search like faux vinyl or felt sheets. I know that Hobby Lobby also has like these rolls of faux leather. Then you will need a pair of scissors, barrettes, and hot glue. Okay, and to get started. So basically how the templates work, you have your larger template, which is your bottom, the pink. You have your smaller template, which is the gold. And this little tiny one is your little band in the middle. Once you've picked out your colors or design and you know what you want for each layer, so say starting out here, if I wanted my bottom layer to be this vinyl, flip it over face down, get my larger template, lay it on there, trace it out, and cut it with scissors. You want to make sure you have good scissors, just like with fabric. The sharper the scissors, the easier it is going to be to cut. I already had these 3 pieces cut out, and now I'm going to show you how you assemble it to make your bow. So you'll take your bigger piece, you put a bead of hot glue in the middle, and you're going to fold your edges in to meet in the middle. Press and hold and wait for it to dry. Alright, now finishing off your bow. I'd say this is probably somewhat the trickiest part of the whole thing. So you're going to do on the back of your bow, you're going to do a dab of glue. Now you want to do a pretty decent sized dab of glue. You're going to take your barrette, you're going to push it on there, but you don't want to let it close because you don't want it to glue shut. You're going to take your piece here and push it. Set it in there in between the alligator, and then now push it and hold it and let it dry. Okay, so now that's dried, and I'm going to do another dab of glue on top of this. And we're going to wrap it around, go under, and push down, and let that dry. And that is it. You have a completed hair bow. Super easy, super cute, using our 3-piece wooden hair bow set that can be found in our Etsy shop. You can make your own hair bows for fun, you can make your own hair bows to sell. All you need is the 3 wooden pieces, your material, a pair of scissors to cut it, no expensive machines or anything. You can start making your own bows.